All right, I have a good news for you. SAP is providing two free certifications. If we read here, two SAP certification exam attempts, and there's also learning to it, including hands-on experience will get, including instructor-led live sessions and practice systems. So let's get started. So if we look here, we have the business process open lecture. So you got to click on register now. All the informations are here. Zoom sessions, 21 Zoom sessions, the timings, everything you can have read. I'll just click on register now. And here we got to fill up the details. Please note whatever I'm seeing now, because if you fill anything wrong, your application might get rejected even. So here it goes, what you need to fill in the business email, what can you fill in the company, right? If you're a student, so everything if you look here is already answered. So please have a read, and please fill your business email address. If you're studying in any kind of college or university, let's say if you're in Harvard University, it will be at the rate of harvard.com. If you're in Oxford University, it will be something like at the rate of oxford.com, right? So you got it. And the rest details, what industry, company you got to fill, it's there. Company field is mandatory. Please, it's written, insert your university name as it's called in English, right? So all the instructions are here. Let me quickly fill up this details. Also for the business email, if you are working in any kind of service based companies like Infosys, Cognizant, those are partners. If your company is a partner, you can fill the business email as well there. It will also work. You can select the location. It will you can tick mark there. Let's check this. Once it's done, we'll click on the submit. And here we go. We got the thank you. It says thank you for registration. We are looking forward to your attendance and participation. So this is the registration done from our end. Now the second step, what you need to do is that there is a student edition also as well, right? You got to learn something if you are preparing for certification. So again, here you need to create the universal ID. The steps are mentioned. It is free access. Step 1 is to create the ID, second is to check your student credential, and the third one is to activate and get started. So then again here you got to get started and fill up the details. So if you don't have a SAP ID, you need to click on register. Then let's fill up these details quickly, basic details, and please fill the email whatever you have given in the previous step, like the business email, so that you can avail the learning benefits as well. Once done giving the password and all, let's click on the register button. So once done, you'll get the activation to your account in your business email or your college email address. So you got to click on the link to activate, and then will be redirected to this. You can easily log into your student account. So once you're done confirming, you can either log in from that page as well. Otherwise, let's log in using our user ID and password once you have verified the link that is provided on your business email. So once you are done creating a login, checked your account, confirmed your verified your profile, you will see this, the bell mark, the bell icon, and here you'll see the welcome Amit, welcome abroad. So here it goes. So you can begin your learning journey now. So that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends so that they can avail the learning benefit, as well as 2 free certifications, as well as the webinars, everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit, or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.